Topic 5. Eating out. 1. Where do you like to eat out? I like to eat out at Italian restaurants. 2. How often do you eat out? I eat out once a week. 3. What is your favorite dish to order? My favorite dish to order is pizza. 4. Do you prefer fast food or fine dining? I prefer fast food because it's quick and easy. 5. Do you like trying new restaurants? Yes, I like trying new restaurants for different cuisines. 6. Who do you usually eat out with? I usually eat out with my friends. 7. What type of food do you usually order? I usually order pasta or seafood. 8. Do you like eating out for breakfast, lunch, or dinner? I like eating out for dinner because I have more time to relax. 9. What is the last restaurant you visited? The last restaurant I visited was a sushi place. 10. How do you usually pay at restaurants? I usually pay with my credit card. 11. Do you like ordering dessert? Yes, I always order dessert when I eat out. 12. Do you tip at restaurants? Yes, I always leave a tip for good service. 13. What is your least favorite type of food to order? My least favorite type of food to order is spicy food. 14. Do you like ordering drinks with your meal? Yes, I like to order a soft drink with my meal. 15. What do you usually do after eating out? After eating out, I usually go for a walk. 16. What is the best meal you have had at a restaurant? The best meal I had was a steak dinner at a fine dining restaurant. 17. Do you prefer to order the same dish or try something new? I prefer trying something new each time I eat out. 18. Do you check reviews before choosing a restaurant? Yes, I always check reviews online before choosing a restaurant. 19. Do you like dining at expensive restaurants? Yes, I enjoy dining at expensive restaurants for special occasions. 20. What is the worst dining experience you've had? The worst dining experience I had was at a restaurant with very slow service.